Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week 3 lecture video. I have to make apologies for my voice. There may be a cough or a hack in there or in this video somewhere when battling a disease all week long. So I'll do my best to record this video uninterrupted. Once again, this is week 3. We have the future of writing essay due at the end of the week, and I'm going to run through that assignment. A couple of things I want to point out when I get to those instructions. Let me get to the module. Writing. There we go, the instructions in the future of writing. And please take the time to read these instructions carefully. I'm very clear on what my desires are for this particular essay assignment. It's 2 to 3 pages, 750 to 900 words. I mean, this shouldn't be a very long manifesto style type of an essay. The goal and the purpose here is to see how you work with the words of others, so I know how to tailor the content as we move forward. Being able to read and summarize, paraphrase is important when you're working with source material. So I want to see how everyone is able to handle summary. Sticking to the assignment is the big goal here. You know, doing what you're being tasked to do, what you're being asked to do. In other words, too, you can turn around and take a look at the instructions. I begin emphatically saying that I want summary of the articles capturing the common themes. I don't want an introduction. I'm not asking to waste any time figuring out an introduction. It's going to be bam, summary number 1, bam, summary number 2, 2 articles, and then I want you to get right to it. After your opening summary, respond to both articles and arguments. Do you agree, disagree? Why? A couple of additional prompts to stimulate your thinking. I said, how do you think education in the workplace will evolve with AI, because of AI? This is an ongoing conversation happening daily. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen here? You can use any reading notes or the discussion board post to help you respond. Support your critical thinking with evidence from the information provided in the articles. I mean, we have just, Tech Titans were in Washington talking to senators today, because I'm recording this on Wednesday, about the future of AI and what would that mean for everybody. So this doesn't have to be a really long conversation, but it should be thorough and to the point. So please take a look at the instructions. I'm asking you, I really don't want any outside sources. You don't have to do a citation for the 2 articles. You have to use attribution. Just cite the authors of those articles, according to Shanklin, according to Ortiz, okay, when you're using their particular words. And remember now, I'm asking you to follow MLA guidelines as stated in the syllabus. It's pretty straightforward. This is a COM 102 class. Everybody should be familiar on how to set up a document with the proper MLA guidelines, right? So I'm asking here, and it's right in the syllabus, standard 12-point font, follow MLA format for headings, titles, spacing, margins. I mean, you should have the MLA heading in your document. You should have a title for your essay. All essays need to have a title. I think that's important, as it states in the syllabus. And you want to make sure, if you're unsure, then do what everybody should do, a college student should do, is look up, let's see, we can look up the Purdue OWL. Everybody should be aware of the Purdue OWL. Here it is. You can see it's been used many times on my computer. Purdue OWL. Take you right to the Purdue Online Writing Laboratory, hence the OWL. Go to the MLA guide, general format, click. Scroll on down. Look how this is an MLA format for the first page of an MLA paper. Here you have the heading, page numbers, title, double space, first line indent for every paragraph. I mean, this should be pretty much standard should have been introduced to this in COM 101. So if you have any questions down the road about, excuse me, any questions down the road about anything MLA, formatting, research, citations, it even has a citation generator in here, can help you format your citations. So later on down in the course, you're looking for some help to help you generate those MLA citations for your annotated bibliography or your research essay. Boom. Purdue OWL has it all for you there. You might want to put that in your bookmarks on your browser. I think it's well worth your effort there to do that, especially for this particular course. All right. So that's it for the future of writing essays. If you can, make sure you upload the document to the assignment by the due date on Sunday. I'll have those graded hopefully within a week or so. You can get those back. And then we're going to move into the textbook portion of the course and start looking at a specific topic for you to research and write about. But that is a lecture video or screencast video for another day. So good luck this week. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Good luck.